Hi dear students, welcome to Color Cube. We are continuing with chapter 5, HCF and LCM. Today we are going to discuss on how to find HCF using repeated division method. First question is find HCF of 40 and 60 using repeated division method. Here 40 can be written as 2 into 20, 20 can be written as 2 into 10, 10 2 into 5. 5 into 1. So, prime factors of 40 are 2 into 2 into 2 into 5. 60 can be factorized as 2 into 30. 2 into 15. Again 15. 3 into 5. 5 into 1. So, prime factors of 60 are 2 into 2 into 3 into 5. Next step, take down and write all the prime factors. After that, round all the common factors. Here, 2 here and one more 2 here. So, one common 2, I take down it and write. Again, the violet color, again one set of 2 is common. Take down and write the 2. Again, one set of 5 is here. So, write that. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 5, 20. Next question, find HCF of 12, 15 and 21. If 3 set of numbers are given, no problem. Just follow the same method. Factorize these 3 numbers first. 2 into 6 is 12. 2 into 3 is 6. 3 into 1 is 3. 15 can be written as 3 into 5, 15. 5 into 1, 5. 21. 3 into 7 is 21. 7 into 1, 7. So, prime factors of 12 is equal to 2 into 2 into 3. Prime factor of 15 is equal to 3 into 5. 21 is equal to 3 into 7. So, which is a common factor in all these 3 digits? Only 3. 3 here, 3 here, 3 here. So, HCF of 12, 15 and 21 is 3. Find HCF of 18, 54 and 81. 18 can be written as 2 into 9. Again 9, 3 into 3 and 3 into 1. 54 can be written as 2 into 27. 27 can be written as 3 into 9. Again 3 into 3 and after that 3 into 1 is 3. 81 can be written as 3 into 27. 27 can be written as 3 into 9. 9 can be written as 3 into 3. X 3 into 1. Now take down and write all the prime factors. 18 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3. 54 is equal to 2 into 3 into 3 into 3. 81 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. Round all the common prime factors. Here 2 3s are here only. Is there 2 common? No. 2 is not present in 81. So 2 is not a common prime factor. So HCF of 18, 54 and 81 is equal to 3 into 3 is equal to 9. Next question is HCF of 64 and 80. First factorize it. 64, 2 into 32. 32 can be 2 into 16. 16 can be written as 2 into 8. 8 can be written as 2 into 4. 4 can be written as 2 into 2. 2 into 1. 80 is equal to 2 into 40. 2 into 20. Like that, factorize both. After that, take down and write their factors. HCF of 64 and 80 is equal to. Round the common factors in both these numbers. After that, write here. 1, 2. Again, one more 2. Second 2. Third. Again, one more 2 is here and one more set is common. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. HCF of 64 and 80 is 16. Same method is followed in the case of bigger numbers also. Just factorize it. 120, 240 and 350. You please try yourself. After that, check it. Here I have the prime factors of these three numbers. After that, common digits are taken out and right here. Now multiply it. Highest common factor of 120, 240 and 360 is 120. Thank you.